Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my unboxing videos. This time around, I will be unboxing a webcam from Logitech. It is the model C270 HD webcam. This is a 720p 30fps camera. It is compatible with Windows or Mac. It works well with Skype, Google Hangouts, and FaceTime for Mac. Again, this is capable of widescreen HD 720p video calls, built-in reducing mic. There are other models of this one's the cheapest one. I got this from Juan Gadgets again at their Shopee online store at around 1,348 pesos with discount. Now if you guys are interested, I will link the product in the description down below. Let's try to test this out. I forgot to mention that this is actually USB powered webcam. So your laptop or PC will automatically recognize this device once it's plugged in. It's actually a fail order for me because I checked the specs of my laptop. It already had a 720p built-in camera. So let's see if it will make a difference. At this point, it's still using the built-in camera. But after plugging in the Logitech webcam and changing the camera settings, it's good to go. It's much smoother than my built-in front camera, but the difference is not that evident. Now if you guys are interested to get one, make sure to check the specs first of your laptop. If you already have a 720p front camera, you might want to get a 1080p webcam to see significant differences. So I will end the unboxing video right here. Until the next one.